Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I think I'm going to do a Dutch pour tonight. Just poured some Artist Loft white paint. This is a 8x8 canvas board. Let's see what I'm going to use for my hair dryer. Okay, so that's it's blown around almost all the way. Afraid to get too close. I didn't want all my stuff to blow around. Okay. Let's see if I can take out some air bubbles. Okay, let's try this again. All right, so I'm going to use the violet, Amsterdam. I've got some yellow green. I've got some yellow, and then I've got some little bit of gold. Well, it's actually pearl yellow and a little bit of gold mixed together, just to have a metallic in there. Now, I think I'll put the green down first. And some yellow. And then some make sure this is runny enough. See the consistency? It doesn't make a mound, it just goes straight in. I'm going to put a bit of white here. So I'm going to blow that over. Put it on low. Turn it around. I'll go this way. Well, that's kind of pretty. Oh, I like that. Take the torch to it. Look at those cells there. Before I torch it, I'll show you. Oh, don't like that. One big can make it smaller. There. Yeah, it's not so bad. I like these colors. That was fast. I wouldn't have minded a bit more purple here, but I'm not blowing it anymore because as soon as you start playing around and blowing it again, it'll get messed up. You can always touch things with your straw. I think I'm just going to leave it. It's got some interesting cells there. Okay, I'm leaving it. I think it's pretty. I like it. Look at that. Move this out of the way. There you go. Okay, so I'm happy with those colors. I'll try another one. Thanks for coming by for this one. Have a good day. I'll put the dried result at the end, and I'll put my colors in the description or in the video. Bye. Hello everyone. Here's my dried bloom. No, sorry, not bloom. Dutch board. It's not quite dry actually. It's almost there. There's a little bit of wet in the middle, as you can see with the reflection. Just where the paint was a little thicker. But I'll still bring you in for a close-up. It's dry on there. Oh, I think this came out pretty. It stayed exactly the way it was. There you go. There's the dried results. Have a great day. Bye-bye.